The Rainforest of Carrots. Once in the rainforest, there were 2 trees, and one of them was still growing, but it was growing carrots. Still, the bigger one had lots of carrots. One time a person walked by and a carrot fell right in front of him. It was still clean, so he ate it. And then a rabbit hopped by and asked, "How come you are eating my carrot?" But the person said, "I didn't know it was yours. I can go grab one off the tree and give it to you." The rabbit said, "Thank you." They both ate the carrots. The end.